What we're doing today is showing you the ability to access your Norton test banks from within Canvas and a kind of a shortcut to how to effectively look at quizzes and assign a quiz from the test banks as well. So this is our Canvas course here, obviously. First thing we want to do is click on quizzes. So what we want to do here is actually from the quizzes is that's where you access the test banks from that functionality in Canvas. We don't want to make a quiz yet, so let's go to that cogwheel, click on the cogwheel, and click Manage Question Bank. So click on that. What that'll do is bring up all the question banks that have come over in the course pack import with Norton content. You see everything broken down by chapter, all the map quizzes, review quizzes, primary source exercises, etc. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom, past all the chapter content, will be the test banks. They look like this, chapter 1, 2, 3, etc., with a number of questions per chapter as well. So again, at the very bottom of the managed question banks. I'm going to show you a shortcut to seeing or viewing the questions and then putting them into a way you can actually more easily assign them or put them into a quiz. So let's assume we're going to make a quiz or a test today for chapter 3. So let's click on chapter 3 and that question bank comes up, that test bank comes up. You'll see everything broken down here by essay question number 1, essay question 1, 0, or 10. That's how Canvas puts the questions as opposed to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, etc. It goes 1, 10, 11, etc. A little frustrating, confusing, but just now you know as you go forward. So you have your essay questions there. Scroll on down. You'll have your matching questions, multiple choice, etc., etc. Again, be aware of the numbering convention in Canvas, 1 to 10, 11, 12, etc., all the way through to 2, then 20. Just be aware of that. So if you wanted to see the full question in the question bank, just go ahead and click on the header. It shows you all the question. Now in Canvas, when you're trying to create a quiz, it gives you kind of a abbreviated question description, which can be frustrating because you're not sure what the entire question is. I've found it helpful to do this. If you like a question and you want to use this in your test, quiz, etc., let's move it to another bank. What we want to do is this. We want to create a bank of questions just for our upcoming quiz. So let's say all the questions we're doing here will be for quiz chapter 3. We'll move questions there. All right, so let's add some more. So what it looks like, let's add some essay questions here. We'll move back to our quiz chapter 3, add some more essay questions. Chapter 3, add some more multiple choice as well. And you'll see how this looks moving forward. And I'll also show you what it looks like if you do it just a regular quiz way in Canvas, a little bit less intuitive, if you will. Some questions there. All right. So we have enough questions. All right. So we have made another question bank. So let's do this. Now it's time to make a quiz. So let's go to quizzes. We'll go ahead and make a quiz according to Canvas. Add a quiz. Call this chapter 3 quiz. And you can there put the necessary quiz administration aspect right there. Let's pick our questions now. So our questions, when you click on the little right-hand questions icon right there next to the details, let's find questions. And if you remember, all these question banks were there. We just saw those. But let's scroll down to the bottom. So if you're doing it the old-fashioned way, or the Canvas way, if you will, you have to